Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be difficult. Hello from Los Angeles. It's been over 6 months and Mike and I are doing all right, or have been cast on a desert island, depending on what your opinion of my beard is, be it magnificent or terrible. But with Halloween just around the corner, we wanted to release a couple of drinks to hopefully help you celebrate this holiday in a safe and socially distanced way. So without any further ado, today we're taking a look at the Pumpkin Kentucky Mule. To build your Pumpkin Kentucky Mule, you'll start with 2 tablespoons of pumpkin butter. Now this is from Trader Joe's. I think it's pretty fantastic, but check your local store. You should have some options, especially since this country goes nuts about all things pumpkin, rightly so I would say, around this time of the year. Next, we're gonna add 3 ounces of the bourbon of your choice, and you might be saying, Paul, you guys usually do 1.5 to 2 ounces of whiskey or spirit per cocktail. You're right, we usually do. But this is 2020 and hopefully you're not going anywhere, so treat yourself to a stiff drink. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a quick shake. Strain into the glass of your choice. On top of that, we're gonna add 4 dashes of cardamom bitters. And if you don't have cardamom bitters, you can just use regular Angostura bitters. You're just adding a little bit of spice and depth. Next, we're gonna top it off with some alcoholic ginger beer. Give that a quick stir. Shave a little bit of cinnamon on top to feel extra fancy. And garnish with a little bit of candied ginger. Now, a little tip that I like, whenever you're using candied ginger, use 2 picks, or if you can bend it and use 1 through, to keep the candied ginger out of the cocktail, because once candied ginger starts to get wet, it isn't nearly as enjoyable to eat. You might also notice that I used a pretty large cinnamon stick. With these tightly wound ones, you can also double them as a straw and get a little bit of extra cinnamon with each sip. Try out this Pumpkin Kentucky Mule and let us know what you think. Please continue to remain distanced, safe, and happy during the rest of what has otherwise been a bit of a dumpster fire year. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.